How to get rid of fungus gnat? You know this tiny insect flying around the pot of your plants? Well, today I will explain you how to get rid of them. The first way to get rid of them is to mix 1 part of hydrogen peroxide and 4 parts of water, and then water your plants once a week for 3 weeks. It will kill all the larvae, and since the adults only live for 1 week, your pot should be clean. Another way to get rid of them is to prevent the adults to lay eggs. If you top dress your pot with horticultural sand, the gnat should be gone in 2 weeks. And for carnivorous plants and orchids, you can use live sphagnum moss. You can also make a trap with apple cider vinegar and 1 drop of dish soap. Cover with transparent plastic and poke tiny holes so the gnat can enter and drown. You can also use sticky trap like fly paper, but if you have sticky carnivorous plants like Drosera and Pinguicula, that's even better. And when the gnat will be gone, clean the pot from all debris and let the soil dry between waterings. If you want to know more about easy carnivorous plants that you can grow on your windowsill, check this video.